Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F8 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings application, and in here we're going to navigate to the most reasonable area, which is About Phone. That's where the reset option is located at, which is the literal first option. And in here we're going to scroll down to Factory Reset at the very bottom. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly will include things like music, photos, and all user data. So if you have anything like that you like to maintain, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. One thing that you will encounter is when you select Erase All Data and confirm your screen lock, we have this pop-up. Backup items first. All backed up stored on this device will be deleted permanently. Backup important items to your computer and Xiaomi Cloud before performing a factory reset. Wow, how graceful of them. They will allow me to back up to my computer and also the Xiaomi Cloud, so they can literally steal this data. Fantastic. No. You can do this without using any kind of bullshit program. You can do this just by grabbing a cable like this, plugging it into your computer, and then just dragging and dropping the data that you want to maintain. That's the only thing that I recommend doing if you want to make a backup of any kind of data that is stored right here. Now, the reason I'm saying to do it with a cable to your computer is because, number one, when doing this, you're the owner of this data. It's stored on your own computer, not someone else's. You're the only one that has access to it, and this data will stay there as long as you want to. Now, the last part is actually pretty important. It might not seem so, but it is. There are regulations where, for instance, companies like Xiaomi are required to delete things like the backups after a certain amount of time. It's something along the lines of, I believe, 2 or 3 years. It's kind of like a reasonable time, or whatever the European Union is calling it. And basically, the idea is here so that the companies don't permanently keep your personal information for whatever reasons that they want to, right? So they're obligated to get rid of it if you don't do anything with it. But hey, let's be honest. We live in a world where AI is right now just dominating almost everything, and this data will most likely be probably used to train AI models. And guess what? It will be used, and then it will be deleted. So you don't have access to it, but hey, they sure as shit used it for their own purpose, and you can't really prove it because, let's be honest, machine learning isn't something that can be checked if it contains your photos or not. It might produce them or something like a similar photo looking from ones that you have uploaded, but you won't be ever able to prove that. So the only reasonable way to back up your data is to do it yourself to your own computer, as long as Microsoft doesn't push Copilot to also rip your data from your PC too. Anyway, we're going to be selecting Factory Reset right here. And it gives us also a question if we want to clear eSIM. I don't have an eSIM added here, so this doesn't really have any kind of merit to me. But if you are using eSIM, this will be very dependent if you want to maintain it in the device or not. It's basically as though you were to take out a SIM card or keep it in your device. I'm going to be selecting clear, even though I haven't had one added here. It doesn't matter. I just want to be sure that everything is removed. And Xiaomi considers their user bases to have about room temperature IQ, so it needs to give us a timer before we can press on next to let us know that all the data from this device will be permanently deleted. Like the two other options or messages weren't doing that already. And hey, guess what? We get another one. And again, like I said, we can't skip this. We have to get 20 seconds of our life wasted before we can actually confirm it. Thanks, Xiaomi. That's 20 seconds of my life that I will never get back. Nor any of you either. So when you click on the OK, it will begin factory resetting your device, and this process will take about a minute or two max to finish up. Once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. Now it looks like the process is almost finished, but I do have a SIM card in my device, an actual physical SIM card, so I'm just going to quickly pop it out. There we go. And this will get rid of that screen that we just seen. So you can see the device is now resetted and ready to be set up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.